right onto Holly Hill Drive, then your destination will be on the right.
It's basically almost a 6 foot, right?
What about your antenna?
Yeah, he's 6'6".
Okay.
You got 6'5".
You move
Want
on.
to check the front or the back?
Is there a yard back here?
Drainage. There's no electric. See, Brandon?
Yeah. It smells like mold too.
There's no electric out here.
I say you could get a little fence right here in this patch.
Right.
This rug is far too tiny for the space.
But the ones I sell, I just have them in toast. Yeah, this is too small. And I wouldn't want to do that when I purchase
Right. I think we should just keep it a dining room.
Check and see what the bedrooms are. They don't have a third bedroom.
Masters 2015, seconds 1511, thirds 1513.
You could all, I mean, if you didn't care about it getting sun soaked, you could probably put an appliance in this window, maybe. We have a lot of appliances. There's a strip.
So Brandon, I could take, depending once we get there, the second bedroom, which is 15 by 11. You get the master. And then the third bedroom, is, which is where I would sleep, 11 by 13.
Okay. See, this is a cozy room.
Do you need to measure this? Because we measured out living room.
Go ahead.
14 by 14.
Yeah. Do you want to turn on the
But
booth?
he has that measurement.
15 by 14.
Ours is 14 by 14.
So you're going to need another.
A foot. But we have this whole wall that we can't
And
really.
that's what I was saying is like, well, yeah, that wouldn't work really. To put the love seat like.
Do it now.
Cause we have a love seat.
So yeah, you could do that there. That would cut that off, which would.
Is this a built-in here? Yeah, this is a built-in. Lighting. Lights don't work. Oh, it works. There we go.
I don't know. That's pretty good.
There's the pantry.
But it's not full.
It's not that big.
It's, yeah, it is. It's 13 inches.
Would that fit an appliance? On the bottom, there's where his appliances are on the
Mhm.
floor. Let's see, real quick, what he uses on the other side. What does he have?
Even underneath there.
Yeah. There's a cabinet here, Jay. There's cabinets all throughout on this thing. And they pull out.
Yeah.
It has a good.
Oh,
Oh, those are nice.
it does have a garbage disposal. Where's the switch? I don't even want to know. We were thinking the switch is over there.
For what?
That's what I'm thinking.
There's a garbage disposal.
For their.
Yeah. Has
That's
to be.
probably it.
They probably.
Water.
Broke work or.
That's dangerous.
Sounds like you got something in it.
And then there's plug.
I think we can make the kitchen.
Bachelor needs to clean.
Yeah, look at how bad our kitchen is.
Bachelor needs to clean.
Is he a bachelor?
I don't know. I think he's the son.
Of this owner who died, maybe? He looks kind of familiar.
Would your Keurig fit under your? Probably.
See, these are all pull-out shelves, which are better than our current. See, they all have the pull-out.
Slide out.
My Keurig might fit over there. It's a toss.
We're here. So here.
Toaster on the other side, Keurig on the other. Take out the Vitamix.
The who?
Vitamix.
What's that for?
It's a blender that I paid almost as much as a stove when I bought it. So $600 blender.
Where did you say the garbage was? Was that on the
He's not using this as storage.
He has a.
I hate electric.
There's
How
no
you?
pans or anything in there?
Where?
No, in that.
No,
stove.
no. He has them right here.
Just pull out.
Yeah. Downsize. I think it could work. It's not like it's a total downgrade. I feel like it's similar in counter if you count up all these.
Where's your.
This is a smaller fridge. Way smaller than what we have.
Height wise, too.
Yeah. All right, that's
So if you
awesome.
have people or whatever.
Well, you're missing all of them. You got a fluffer.
This is the room that he does not feature on the selling.
Please do not touch. What, this a room you're talking about, Jimmy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's probably his
It's
parents.
about the same. A little short. My ours is 7.7. Theirs is 7.5.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, Brandon.
What? Hold on.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's he have in there? Yeah, he has stuff.
That's where our luggage goes.
A little bit of a crawl space. That's where his Christmas tree stand is. And Santa.
Okay. I mean, that's just like our house, but it's a lot bigger. The door.
This one's smaller. It only goes
Okay.
from here
Okay.
down there a little bit. That was 11.15.
Yeah.
I need 12.14, so it would probably work.
I can't open that. I don't know why.
This would be your collection area.
This
This is Jamie's bedroom and
This would
collection.
be my bedroom. Yeah.
So you get 2 bedrooms, I get the master. I think it's fair.
And then we'll have the basement.
And then we have no spare bedroom for his mom. I don't think my mom needs to sleep here because she lives 4 minutes away. I was gonna use that as my home office and bedroom. Yeah,
Yeah, you could.
or Airbnb. Yeah, this is nice. I like
Yeah,
that.
you can put your desk right here like he is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And have your work
We can
card
have
right
that
here.
same thing.
Yeah, I have the same size desk at home. Not marble top,
We
but
have that marble,
No.
something like that in our dining room on the wall.
this room confuses me.
I know. So
What is it? What's up with it? Is this like for a
I mean,
woman that,
technically, if you have really had to go to the bathroom, you're good.
in the sink? It's needed.
I
But...
think they started it or something. Changed their mind.
Or there was a toilet and they took it out, maybe?
Like an ensuite. It
Maybe.
made sense.
I don't know what they're. Because this is bad.
Yeah, who needs another sink? I think it's so redundant. Just like the 2 fireplaces in that other house.
That was weird.
Well, it made sense because it was the addition on the, but this is the nicest bathroom in the house. It looks long enough to soak in almost.
You ever Yep, I tried doing that with my baseball cards, but nope. They're all in tubs.
Just the basement?
Tops and doors.
See, I got lost in this house. I think that walking down here is very nice looking. I smell a little bit of dampness.
Comes with the house. For pets.
This is nice.
This one's pretty nice.
It is so nice.
It is. I think this is where he stays.
What's that?
I think this is where he stays.
Well, yeah, that's where I'd be.
You could, we were thinking like making this somehow doing like a couch bed or something down here. That way, if guests
Sleeper
could
or
sleep
something.
here, have their own bathroom, maybe.
Yeah, well, technically you could bring your mother in through the garage.
Right? She could just hang out here the whole week. Hold on, I gotta get. Give me 1 sec. I'm just looking at the bathroom again. Nice shower. Why? Yeah. Why is there this hump here?
Humpty Dumpty.
Yeah. You think that's where the sump pump is?
No, it's right there in the corner. It's all along this wall.
That's a. It look. Sorry. Let me get out of here.
Truck will fit.
All right. What about? Is this? This won't affect anything. I guess not. Will it fit and then still give us room to put our e-bikes and shit back here?
Yeah, it's
Truck will fit.
along the front.
And but yeah, I'm sorry, I'm right now,
And to be honest with you,
Yeah.
you're already at the 15th of June here almost.
Right
It's
here.
gonna close
That's
in
storage right
September.
here too. Storage.
Yeah.